Hi, welcome to this edition of the Mental Health Minute. I'm Justine McNulty, a registered social worker for the Arnhem Prairie and District Family Health Team. And today I wanted to talk to you about the upcoming holidays and challenging and adjusting our expectations for ourselves at this time. So whether you are someone who traditionally enjoys the holidays, looks forward to it, or someone who traditionally does not enjoy the holidays and it's something that you dread, this year, because we're in the middle of a global pandemic, it adds an additional level of stress, anxiety, tension to the classic holiday experience. The advice that I have for you today is to take note of where you're at and be compassionate to yourself no matter where that is. No matter how you're feeling, what you're feeling it. So in order to tolerate it as best as you can, being kind to yourself is the best medicine right now. Another thing that can be really helpful is to adjust the expectations that you have of yourself and those around you at this time. It makes sense if you're not motivated to decorate your house like you always do. It makes sense if you're sad and feeling grief because you can't connect the same way that you would in previous years through holiday parties, family get-togethers, etc. So for now, a little exercise that you can do in the moment, whenever you're starting to feel that overwhelm, dread, lack of motivation, or just general blues, is to take one hand, place it over your heart, take a deep breath, and say to yourself, this is hard. I'm not alone in this. So may I be kind to myself. And may I give myself the compassion that I need. If it's not so easy for you to connect to yourself that way and give yourself that self-empathy, love, kindness, compassion, you can imagine somebody who you know cares about you saying those words to you. So that's my piece of advice for today. So I want you to take care, and even if you're not enjoying this holiday season, know that that's normal. We're in the middle of a global pandemic. It's very stressful. So just be gentle with yourself. Let yourself feel whatever it is that you're feeling, and take care.